Hey everybody, Dave Bazanko here for our weekly update on what is now Triathlon for Beginners, our YouTube channel. We are on week 11, and last week in week 10, I didn't do a stats update. There really wasn't much to update on. However, we made the decision last week to pivot the channel from resilience strategies for dads to triathlon for beginners. Really, after going through the Think Media's 1 week boot camp on niching down into your market, it really made sense for me to move into the area that all of my resilience strategies are based from, which is from my experience as a triathlete. And since making that change last week, we've had some pretty interesting things happen. So let's just have a quick look at what that was. And these are the stats. Now, I apologize, I don't have my week 10 stats in here. There wasn't much of an increase at all from the week before. So I was really focused on making the change to the format of the channel and the types of videos that we're making. And you can see that over the course of a week, we literally, jumped by, a significant amount to almost 4,000 views for our channel. Our watch hours went from 550 to over 700. The number of subscribers that we have increased by over 50. I think it was 56. So we went from 188 to 240. And our click-through rate went from what was hovering just under 2 to back up to 2.2, which is the highest that we've ever had. So the hypothesis that we tried to work with here was, right here, the channel wasn't niche enough to support what we were trying to do with our channel. So we niched down, got very specific about who we were speaking to, and I'm speaking to beginner triathletes. That is, that's essentially my crowd. If I had to talk to somebody forever and not get paid about it, I would definitely be talking about triathlon because it's just something that I know very well, and it's something that I'm very passionate about and can talk about for years to come. And what was really interesting is when I niched down into this topic, I was able to come up with a list of over 250 simple questions to answer that beginner triathletes have. And looking at all those questions, realizing that I had an answer for all of them was quite telling. Now, what was also interesting is I'm starting to get questions now from my audience, which I wasn't getting before. These are specific to people who are beginners at triathlon and want to know tips and tricks for how to move from the swim to the bike, what's transitional about. Lots of questions, and then lots of people just who were getting involved in triathlon and wanting to share their enthusiasm on our channel. So I think we've kind of hit the nail on the head for the market that we want to serve. And this week's results have been, I'm going to say, stellar based on what we've done so far. We've had some big results and worth noting. So I'm going to switch the format here from a weekly update to a monthly update. I'm doing batch recordings of those questions and answering other questions as well, splattered in. So I'm doing a batch recording on the weekends. I've got a posted video being posted every single day of the week, and will have for months to come. I have that many questions that I can answer. So I think having these multiple weekly updates is a little bit of overkill, but to get a quick update of my channel, just go onto my channel and you can see the subscriber count going up. You can see the interaction, the comments. Everything is pointing in the right direction. So I think probably doing a monthly update might make more sense. So that's kind of what I'm going to do for now. Is I don't want to overwhelm with too many videos just for the sake of making videos. I think to do a monthly update is where it's going to end or start, not a weekly update. But we've learned a lot over the last 10 weeks. I've learned a ton about what I'm doing here on YouTube and, how to record a better video, how to use better equipment, get better sound quality. I've learned a ton about structuring the videos, niching down into my market, talking to my audience, working with my audience to create better content that they want to see and to serve them better. So that's the update for this week. It was short, it was brief, but to the point, and hopefully that serves as a bit of inspiration for everybody who's following the channel, who is rooting us on to succeed. And remember, when I get to 100,000 subscribers, I'll sign up for another Ironman, and I'll invite you guys all to be a part of that journey with me, and I'll give you all kinds of backseat or backstage access to everything that I experience. Thanks, everybody. See you in the next video, and thanks for subscribing. Really appreciate it. Bye for now.